Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So, before we jump into the video, I want to apologize for the fan that is going in the background. It's really hot, and I'm sorry for seeing the lights on my glasses. I just really need to see that this is focusing. So, I know we're not gonna ask, show me why I talk so. If you're new here, you would not know this, obviously. I don't have a lisp, but I'm talking with a lisp today because I have a wisdom tooth infection and it's causing difficulty when I'm speaking and it's also very painful. So I'm on medication for that and it won't clear up for a couple of days, so I decided that I have to go ahead and do a video because I haven't posted for the past 2 weeks. It's just a struggle for me. Honestly, it's just a struggle for me. But today I am here doing a video sponsored by Genius Wigs. Guys, me, I got ask you to please do all laugh after the way me talk down in the comments because I don't know this far. You hear me? If you don't laugh, my feelings are gonna hurt. Okay, don't laugh. So I'll be fine in a couple of days though. I just need a couple of days to recover. So this week's video is sponsored by Genius Wigs, and if you have been watching my videos, you will know that I already collaborated with Genius Wigs on a video where I did a magic trick with one of their lace wigs, but because there's a shortage on lace, this time they reached out to me and told me that they wanted to give me a headband wig. And if you know about me, say I cannot apply wigs for crap. So this is actually perfect for me. And I am very, very excited to try it out and see how it turns out. And I'll also be able to do that same magic trick that I did on the last wig on this wig. So talk to me. Nice. Period. So let's look what's inside the box. As I open the box, I see the wig, but I'll get back to her in a few because I want to see what else is in the box. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 headbands that I can wear this wig with, and I also got an elastic and a wig cap. So just put those back in there, and I'm going to go ahead and take out the wig and see what's doing. So this is an 18-inch reversible wig, and this is how it looks. Super soft, doesn't feel kinky at all. It's like straight hair. It's like legit straight hair. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to be applying this myself. I'm gonna be applying this myself. So I went ahead and got my hair braided in two already, and I am just going to pin up these two plaits, and I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and do my lashes and get cute and come apply this thing because let's say if I ever see nobody in the comments that laugh for how me talk, watch me out. Me not gonna like it comments if you laugh for me. Not gonna like it. So whoa there. I can't see nothing, but I'm going to go ahead and get dolled up and come back to apply the wig. Me apply my wig. Talk to me nice. Or don't talk to me twice. Alright, so now that I'm done doing my little fix up, I'm going to go ahead and start the process of applying the wig. So guys, I'm so excited about this. I'm going to act like I'm teaching you guys something, okay? Meanwhile, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So you're going to go ahead and get some of your gel. It doesn't have to be a specific type of gel. You just get some gel and slick back your real hair. Now, the reason for doing this is because Your hair is going to be showing at the front, so you want it to look as natural as possible because the goal is to make it look like it's your hair, right? Don't need it all the way back here. I just want to take it. Alright, so after you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and do your edges. It's a look already, guys. You're going to want to go ahead and do your edges. Let me just wipe off all this gel off of my hands. So I grab my edge brush and I'm just going to go ahead and make some swoops. Hopefully they stay. Feel like I'm going, normally when I make the swoops in my hair kind of stubborn, so it just curls up back instead of staying, but it's important that they stay in position because of the wig. So I might just go ahead and spritz a little got to be on my edges. It's not good, and I only do this sometimes when I'm desperate for my edges to stay down. So don't follow me. I'm gonna spray got to be on your edges every day. As you can see, I already don't have a lot, so don't do as I do. I just want them to stay down to give me that nice juicy look. Me say, make nobody down in the comment section I laugh off of me, say man, me and Uno gonna have things. Now go like Uno comment. I put you up on probation for 3 videos. If you laugh off of me not gonna like your comment for 3 videos. So I'm just finishing up these, and as soon as I'm done this, I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig. Styles by Dimples, you know. Book me guys, book me. I really wish I knew how to apply wigs, but then it wouldn't make sense because I rarely ever wear them. I'm definitely going to spray some got to be on this because I really want it to stay this way. So I'm just going to reinforce these edges with some got to be. I'm acting like I know how to apply it. So after you guys have finished doing your edges, you just want to go ahead and grab your wig. Me personally, I think I already prefer it curly because I naturally have curly hair. So I'm going to put it on first, straight, and show you guys how it looks, and then I'll go ahead and do magic trick because you guys know I'm a magician. Dimples. Period. So, okay. has this little Velcro, so I'm guessing I just do like, wait. Alright, you see now I take up app and I really don't know what the hell I am doing. Alright, so I'm going to just clasp the Velcro, pull down the wig. Oh wow, that was easy. That was very easy. Wow. That was really, really easy. Cool beans. It's on. And this is what it looks like straight. I'm not going to straighten it because I'm going to wet it up and get it curled in a few. You see my actual corners pushing up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Let me go ahead and throw on one of these headbands and show you guys how it rocks. This is cute. This is really cute. This is really cute. This is so convenient too because it's foolproof. I did it myself. That hurt my jaw. That really hurt my jaw. Girl, call me. Listen, you know when I go comment down in the comment section, you guys are going to comment Wig Slayer Dimples because who you know slay a headband wig like me? Shots being fired at Petite Sue Divinity. Who you know? Wig Slayer Dimples. So, now that I've seen it straight, I'm really interested to see how it's going to convert because it's pretty straight and silky. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it up and come back. Just give me a second. Alright, let me do the magic trick. Guys, come on. Trust me. When I went to wet up the hair, I was so nervous. And I said, oh, this is going to come up. It was such a straight hair, straighter than the one in the last video. The last one I reviewed, I have that link in the description box. But guys, this is gorgeous, and I just applied it. So what I'm going to do now, I already showed you guys one of the headbands I got. I'm just going to show you guys how all the headbands that I got look like. I can't believe I made this myself like. Oh, I can't believe I made this. I'm kind of shocked. It's easy, but I'm kind of shocked that I did this myself. I'm so proud of myself. And Genius Wigs made that possible. Thank you guys for identifying that I was a handicap and giving me a wig that would be super easy for me to apply. So this is the second headband. I guess punch this up like this. That hurts. And you just, oh, this is cute. Whoa, this kind of matches my background. Whoa, this is cute. Ah, this is cute. Guys, come on. I'm obviously feeling myself. Come on, this is so nice. I did it myself too. Like, what is it? If me go somewhere and like, I don't know if I come here, just throw on my headband wig and cute. This is so nice, guys. I'm not even guessing this just because it is a sponsored video. I'm honestly shocked at myself and the ability that I had to put this on and how cute it looks. I'm going to go ahead and put on the next headband. So this is the next one. This gives me a day-to-day vibe, like this, and this one gives me a day-to-day vibe, like if I'm just going to school or going on the road, I can wear these. But the other one is like more, I don't know, you dress up, you really dress up stuff, so it's all up to how you style things. But this gives me a day-to-day vibe, honestly. So just have one more to put on, so let's go. Bro, this one is so cute. Can you believe that I did this myself, yeah? Can you believe it? Oh my god, this is so cute. And it's so nice how they were thoughtful with the headbands and they didn't give you not one, not two, but four. Guys, I swear to God, I'm not guessing this just because it's promotion. I am genuinely impressed. Genuinely impressed. Come on. So that is going to be all for this video. I'm going to go ahead and take a million snaps now. You guys will probably see the snaps before this video is posted. And I will see you guys in my next video. I am impressed. All the headband wigs, alright, headband wigs is my thing. Run me the headband wigs over lace fronts any day. Come on. Yo. I'm impressed. Don't forget to go ahead and thumbs up the video if you liked it. Click that subscribe button down below and check my description box for all details on this wig. Everything will be there. Everything, the link to Genius's website, everything will be down in the description box below. Go ahead in the comment section and rate my skills on applying this headband wig. And remember, if you soon want to laugh up on this stuff, me, I'm not gonna have things. So that's all for this week's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Matters. Yeah. I wish cards again. Matters. You see the